Okay, let's take with Miro, guys. What is sitemap? See, basically, for every project, if you are doing any website, or if you are doing any mobile app, you have to do some site mapping process. Okay, so what is exactly UX sitemap? So we have a PDF here. We can check it the how to create a UX sitemap. So this is the UX sitemap. UX sitemap. Okay, how to create a UX sitemap. So come to here. There is a UX sitemap consists of linked pages, each with a reference, a number, or a label. So if you are taking any sitemap, like if you are taking a home page, we have a in the home page, what are the labels we have and what are the sections we have to check it, and it should be linked into other cells and other sections also. Okay, and this sitemap link pages each with a reference number and a label. Reference numbers can help you to track of pages even as you move on to the wireframes, prototypes and iterations. So we know already wireframes, prototypes we have a links, and iterations we have the changes. And write labels as clear page titles optimized for users through cart sortings. So these are the cards where we created. Okay, and this is the home page, and we created some card sortings and just giving the links. This we call as linked pages. Okay, and the references, we are creating some page titles. We are writing the page titles here. Okay, and for user card sorting, like links, we are just giving step by step this process. And what is it? So UX sitemap is a hierarchical diagram of a website. So if we have a website, guys, and let's take with some Figma. So the Miro boards is interacting with Figma and Adobe XD and web templates also. Suppose we have a project here. Suppose let's take with some food app. So let's take with food app, guys. So this is the food app. So what we have the food app, we take the splash screen here, and we have the sign up, sign in, we have OTP, we have home screen, and we have some location, we have home screen, and we have the sections here, selections, and home, restaurant, menu items. We have so many things. Okay, so it is a diagram of website application. So this is the application where we created, and we are taking using with all the sections. What are the sections we have? Suppose in this home, restaurant screens, we have veg, non-veg, budget box, and rating. These are the sections. So let's take with another mobile app, let's take with this cart related apps. See here, we have login, OTP, home, and new arrivals, and notifications, and categories, new arrivals, product descriptions, and again add to cart. So let's take with website, guys. Take this one, guys, and this is the new arrivals, and we have the home page here. About as new arrivals and shop. Okay, so here we are just seeing all the web pages here directly. Okay, we can see the web pages directly, and we can select the web pages. So we can create a basic sitemap here. Okay, and using with Miro boards. And a website show pages are prioritized, means high priorities. So what are the, suppose if we have a project, in that project you have to do some website. In website what we have a navigation panel, we have the home button, about us, services, contact us, like this we have some navigation panel. In that home page what are the sections you have? So in that services page what are the sections you have? You have to check it everything from step by step. If it is a user flow, is like the street view details, and sitemap is like the bird eye view. Bird eye view is nothing but just visibility. It's a eye catchy for the user and client very easily. Okay, when it is used, sitemaps are used early in the UX design process. Right after the discovery phase, you will typically create a sitemap as personas, user journeys, and cart sortings. So basically we can discover the project, and we can research the project, and we can define the project, we can design the project, and we can deliver the project, and we have the ideas and prototypes and synthesis and many. It will be generated automatically in the backend stages. So tip for small, medium, large websites, depending on the, is it clear? So depending on the size and complexity of your website, you can create a flat or deep sitemap. Deep sitemap, if you take a flat for a small website or application, we have 10 plus pages. Consider creating a flat sitemap with 4 or less vertical views. These are the vertical views. Okay, but for a medium 100 plus pages, you can still create a flat sitemap. Means we can create a flat sitemap, same sitemap, flat, but with a wider row or secondary pages. To surface those pages, consider using a mega menu that group links into subcategories, improve scanning, like this also. Okay, and come to the large sized 1000 plus pages. Consider creating a deep sitemap to help house all the information with 5 vertical levels. 5 vertical levels. Deep sitemaps can make it harder to discover content. So try to provide alternate views like menu shortcuts to reach deeper pages. Category pages or navigation hubs can also help further organize the volume of pages. Is it clear? So flat is nothing but we can see the 10 to 20 pages we call as a flat sitemap. Okay, in this flat sitemap we have almost 4 to 5 vertical levels. And come to the 100 plus pages also, we can use the flat sitemap, and with a what happened, the secondary pages, again we can take a duplicate from this all the things with a link of starting point to ending point. So to surface those pages, consider using a mega menu. So if you want to same the 5 rows, we have 1 2 3 4 5 rows, you can interact again one more 5 rows, and again you can keep into the vertically some more rows and columns. But large, we have taken multiple of project like thousands plus of pages. Suppose you have 1000 plus pages of artboards, so you have to use with deep view sitemap, deep sitemap. So that's why it's called as a small, medium, and large. Any clear? So let's take with Miro. So we have a mind maps and Kanban frameworks, pick perspective, retrospectives, flowcharts, user story maps, everything, and we can create the project. So select this one. It is a free version. Working with Figma and Adobe XD. Okay, already we are working with Adobe XD and Figma. No? So interaction between the Adobe XD and Figma, and taking the projects taking the type of particular projects and giving a collaboration to in this particular Miro board. Okay, So select this one, go to the Miro, and if you want to create a new project, come to here, take a new boards, click the new board, create a team board. So when we creating a team board, we have a different type of libraries here. Select this brainstorming ideas, meeting workstations, mapping and diagram, research and design, strategy and plannings. We have so many things. And come to here, we can create a sitemaps. In the sitemap, we call as, for that sitemap we call as mind maps. That we call as mind maps, mind mapping. We have so many different type of mind maps, and we have to select the mind map segments, mind map template. So click it here, select this one. If you want to fill the project or you want to take a blank template, use free pre-filled. Click it here, and already what we created, we can see the pre-filled data. So I would like to select this one, ungroup. So first of all, what we have, guys, select this one. We have a splash screen. Select this one, increase the size. In this splash screen, what we have? Navigation buttons. Home. What are the projects we have? About us. Then do one thing. Let's take with Amazon. Click the Amazon, or go to the Apple. Click the Apple. So when you click the Apple, we have a navigation bar. How much? We have so much of navigation bar, and click it. These are the navigation panels. Suppose if you take any Amazon, see, store. So this is the splash screen, guys. Select this one, store, Mac, iPad, So select this one, make it copy, the bold, right click, copy style, select this, copy style, select this, paste style. For the selection I am using select this one and make it styles like this. If you want to add it, you can add it here like this. You can add it more sections. So select this one and go to the store. Suppose we have a Mac, iPad, so TV and home, entertainment. Entertainment. So in this TV and home we have again the sections like Apple TV or home, shop HomePod, shop Apple TV. Shop HomePod. Into the entertainment, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus support. And come to the Mac, we have again MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, if you want one more a level like a section, select this one and create one more section. So select this one, Mac Mini, and select this one, copy, come to the Mac, Mac Mini, iPad or iPhone, make it iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, iPhone, and we have some more sections. If you want to delete, just select it and delete the section. So select this one and make it some bold. Just selected this one and Control V, paste. iPhone 12, iPhone SE. Copy. Clear and yeah, already you understand now. So this is the sitemap we are creating. Okay, so if you want to adjust the sitemaps, select the sitemaps. So select this one. I'm just creating. If you want anything, you can select this one. You can add the sections. If you want to anything, you can select it and you can add the sections. So select this one. If you want to give any links, so if you want Apple TV, just click it and make it insert link. So select it and paste it and click it. If you click it here, what happens, friends? You can directly go to the page. So this one it helps us where you can take the content, where you can got the content, and where you have taken a references. So directly you can give the sentence, you can give the same link, the website link into the particular object. So directly, suppose I would like to go to the book air. Select this one. Where is book air? If you want to click it, just click it. Go to the, so I can click it here. So this page I have to go. Select the copy link and go to the so select the link, copy and click it here, make it, just click it link and paste it link. So if you click it here, directly you will go to the same particular page. So just give the sitemaps, very important for every project, to understanding the client view easily and to understanding the routes, which sections wise we are doing. So after that, what should we have to do? So website, what are the navigation palette we have, and what are the in that particular navigation, and we have a subcategories. How can we put the subcategories using this type of flowcharts? Okay, so sitemaps like this we can creating, and we have a shop Apple TV. Shop Apple TVs. So let's take it this one, something, anything. If you go to here, select this one, and you can see a number of products, and you can interact this product, copy the product. So click it here, and if you click it here, I would like to take this product, come to the Miro board, copy, yes, and if you want to click this one, just click it here. If you want to click anything, just click it here and make it airport max. So come to here, if you want a subcategories from here, take it subcategories with 2 levels. Suppose if you want a Samsung related OS, OLDX operating system, select it. Copy link we have done, but the paste link it is not coming. So copy this one, OLDXX, and click it, and we can create one more thing. Select this one and just select this one, make it bold, select this one, make it bold. So like this we can add the sections and we can add the sitemap very clearly. So now you can see this one, you have an iPhone splash screen. In this iPhone splash screen you have the TV, home, and Mac, iPhone, and we have the watch. So this is the settings of completely to understanding the navigation panel, and after that in that particular navigation panel we have shop Apple and home food. So in this entertainment we have Apple Music and Apple TV. So Mac we have MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. So we have every section we have divided very clearly, and we just added the screens. So like this we can add the screens. So like this we can add the screens. Suppose if you want to delete, select directly and use the delete option in the keyboard. So these are the sitemaps we are creating, guys. Sitemap is a very important topic. Sitemap is a very important topic to create a different type of segment. So come to here and check again, is there any different type of mind maps? Select here. If you want to click it, this one. If you want to create any template here, this is the template we created. So if we create like this also, friends, and we have the splash screen, make it Mac, iPhone, OS, entertainment, TV and home, and iMac. 16th version. So click it here and go to the votings like this. 16th version. So like this boards we can create directly. So we have to work with manually. In this particular section we have this, every section we have different type of colors. So select it, you can change the color. So when you're working with iPhone, your sections will be the same color, and this one will be so. In this particular section we are just doing this all the the same color we are keeping here. So these are the same project, the continuation of linking in that particular iPhone OS. So select this one. If you want this 3 for pink, go to here and make it pink. So, and you can change the text here. So alt drag it for duplicate. Suppose these sections we are working with a single color, and these sections we are using with any single color. Like this we can divide the stick boards. These are the Miro boards, like sticky notes. So we can directly use and create a different type of mind map using these particular objects. So this is the flat view we design. Flat view is nothing but we just taken a number of sections and number of layers we have. It's almost 20 to 30, like 20 to 30. అది నేను చెప్పిందే ప్రీవియస్లీ ఏం చెప్పాను. Sorry, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, we have almost 20 to 30 a basic level of websites or mobile apps, so that we use as a flat view. And flat, it's not a deep view, it's a very flat view, and this type of process we can do it. And here also we can do this type of process, and we have a different type of libraries, and we can create with mind maps. Just type it and create a mind maps, and we can see all the sections of mind maps. Just click it here, use a free field or use a blank template, and we can see the two things here, the two sections. If you take a blank template and you can take the black template. So see here we have a different type of mind map here. Suppose come to here, we can select the marketing and communications here. We can take a content strategy. So coming to the content strategy, again they created as a websites, content, design, blogs, here everything. Suppose when you selection this one, so how many things you have? So many things you have. So if you select this one, and if you just collapse means totally it will be collapsed. If you click it here, then automatically it will completely open. So it is a hide and it will be the open. So in this website we have a content, we have a general and blogs and content plannings, project descriptions, customer references. So in the social media we have content planning, release and everything. Sir, I would like to create one more option. So I can create one more option, like here we have a social media. Let's add it social media branding also, like this. Okay, and we can create the brand developments. We can create it, and we can select this particular layer, and you can delete the particular section. So like this we can create the everything into this particular mind map. So if you are working with a huge project, and you can select this mind map and you can create the complete the layers. So you can select the layers, you can add one more and section, see, and you can create a home, click it, about us, services, enter, press enter. Okay, services and events and gallery, and finally contact us. So select this one and delete. Now you got it. Like this we can create the sitemaps, like sitemap. These are the sitemaps. Okay, we can create this type of sitemaps. So please check the sitemaps, and please take one project, guys, and check the every sitemap with every different type of concept we can see here. This is one type of sitemap, and what is the discovery you can do, and what are the problem discoveries, and you have to give something, any text here, you can take it, and you can mention any highlight parts, you can select this one, and again you can give the highlight sections. So like this you can create. Suppose if you want to take a text box, so I can create a text box here, and I can give some text here, select this one and make it bold here, and giving some size increasing. So select this one, I would like to give a connector line, so click it here, make it connectors. So the connectors should be come to from here to so select like this. If you want to give, just click it and maintain the color. Just take it move tool and just double click and check the color, guys. Take the color, and if you want to give the type, the size increasing, okay, and make it some text in between. Here you have to write something with the middle of the part. Select this one, this we call as a section. Section 1. So select this one and make it section 1. Just give it color. Any doubts? So like this we can create it, and we can edit this text, and we can edit this sticky notes, and you can write the name. It is a home, and if you want to give the selection this one and go to the connectors, like this we can create the connectors, and you can select the text, right click. Please create this type of sitemaps. Okay, so already you already work with one project. That project is, what is your project name? Pharmacy. So already you have done so many screens as a mobile app. So why don't you create the sitemap in this particular Miro board? Okay, if you once you can do the sitemap here, so you can directly copy the sitemap and you can paste into your portfolio design in your design case study. So make it your sitemap very clearly, okay, and using with your mobile app. So after that we can keep the same sitemap, and if you have any functions, any colors, any changes, easily you can select this one, and usually you can duplicate it, and easily you can rename the text in this particular Miro board. So that's why Miro board is very helpful to creating the UX sitemaps, and this is a tell me about, guys, this is the a flat UX sitemap or it's a deep UX sitemap? It's a UX sitemap will be the deep UX sitemap. Why means we have almost hundreds of pages, so that's why this sitemap we call as a deep sitemap, and this sitemap we call as a flat sitemap. Why means we have 20 to 30 pages, so 30 sections, so that's why we can easily work with flat sitemap. So that is the difference between flat sitemap and this deep sitemap. Okay, anything doubts? Here we have the mega menus. These are the mega menus. In this mega menu we have a sub menus. In this sub menus again we have sub menus. So when you're taking this sub menus, again you can select this one. You would like to highlight the text as a bold, so then they can understand very easily. Okay, already it is a statutory pattern network is the main thing. And come to here, in this financial scenarios, in this financial partners, click it here and make it highlight. From here to here it is moving. So like this we have to check every sitemap. To understanding the sitemap is nothing but to understanding it is a reference of number of label reference. The sitemap consists linked pages, wireframes, prototypes, right labels, clear page titles, optimize users through cart sorting, and it is a hierarchical diagram of website or application that shows how pages are prioritized, linked and labeled. It is if a user flow is like the street view details. So the sitemap is like the bird's eye view. Bird's eye view ante you can easily understand the user very easy. Okay, see in this mobile in this sitemap what we are creating here in this sitemap, this is the home and this is the about us and everything. So we are taking the sitemap very clearly. Okay, taking the navigation panel, and in that navigation panel again taking the sections and everything very clearly. Nothing like we just taken the example, like take the Amazon also, click it here and see these are the new release by mobiles. Suppose if you click the mobiles, again we can see the accessories, EMI Carnival, or click it. So when you take the nav bar, you can see the mobile accessories. In this mobile accessories, this is the in the mobile accessories, these are the main common. Okay, and this is the main button, and these are sub button, and these are the body buttons. Okay, and make it the laptops and accessories. And when you click it here, and in this laptop and accessories we have laptops, and these are the sections. And this is the shop by brand, we have sections. Tablets we have sections. PC accessories we have sections. So like this you have to create some UX sitemap. So take an example, guys. Take one simple example. Create an Amazon sitemap. It's very easy. Why means we have every sections. Okay, or otherwise, first of all, create your project sitemaps, UX sitemaps, what you created as a mobile app in the in the earlier version. Okay, in the earlierly. Okay, previously. So after completing this one, creating a multiple sitemaps to understanding the flow view, the user flows, how they are creating, and how the websites we have, and how the user flows we are maintaining, and everything we can see here directly. So understanding purpose. So that's why UX sitemap is nothing but to understanding very clearly for the users and end users and clients and managers to understanding process very easily. So when you creating in the when you creating in a Miro board and you are creating any sitemap here, so the client and collaborators and directly the team employees and managers directly they will take the access here, and if you have any changes directly they can give the changes here directly easily. Okay, so that's why Miro board help us very clearly. After completing this one, we can save it the file and we can paste it into anywhere. Clear? Anything doubts? Will you practice? Will you clear? No? Please check once and to understanding purpose. Okay. You can save this one. Like save as an image, you can create the images with a different type of sizes, or you can click it, save it as a PDF. So which section you are taking, please check it, and which one you are selecting, select it and remove the remaining part, or otherwise please cut this part into another Miro board. and click it here and paste it the Miro boards. So now you can directly save as image, and the section they are showing directly. So it is a small, it is a medium, it is a large. So we are working with a trial version. So let's with trial. So select it and make it export very small Miro board only. So save this file as a PDF, create a frame, any doubts? This is the frame. Now save PDF and best small file size quality export. For understanding purpose only guys, okay, click it and check the PDF format. Clear? So we are working as a trial version. So just check the, only to understanding purpose only guys. Please practice the Miro board very clearly. Thank you guys. Any doubts? Thank you guys. ఆగిపోయింది